Okay, what we're going to try to do here is a quick little demonstration of a voltage regulated power cord. And basically this voltage regulated power cord will put out 15 volts. And what we're going to do here is we're going to hook our voltmeter up. And we're actually only feeding the voltage regulated power cord with 11.22 volts. And if we take this, we got that hooked up there, we got 14.97 volts. Now I've got two power cords here, and we're going to show you the other one. And this is a 11.22 volt power cord. So what we're going to do is we're going to hook it up to the Cobra 29, plug that in there, and this is the 11.22 volt power cord. Hello, audio. Hey, 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 hello, audio. Hey, 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 hey. Hello, audio. Yes, the limiter has been opened up on this one. Now what we're going to do is we're going to unplug this one, plug this one in. That's the one that's hooked up to the 15 volt power cord. Hello. Ooh, audio. Hey, hey, hey. Hello, audio. Test 1, 2. Hello, audio. Test 1, 2. Test 1, 2. Ooh, audio.